my name is Celeste B. Olimberio, and
My name is Cynthia Olimberio.
Later.
before you watch, guys, please subscribe, like, and share our channel because we will be tackling about the negative and positive impact of social media.
So, hello guys, what is social media guys?
Social media refers to the means of interaction among people in which they create, share, and exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks. So, social media, a computer-based technology that facilitates the sharing of ideas, thoughts, and information through virtual networks and communities. Social media, yan yung ginagamit natin sa pakikipag-interact sa mga tao na use on our daily lives like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. It is where we search some ideas. So, what are the positive impact of social media, guys? First is that we can communicate to our loved ones. Like, even if we're here from Leyte and nandun sila sa
Ibang bansa.
magkakaroon pa rin tayo ng communication through social media. And through social media, we can also use it for us to search like for education. Nagagamit natin siya para mag-search para sa ating mga assignments like that. And we can also send our requirements through social media. So, what are the negative impact of social media? First is cyberbullying. Through social media, lalo na sa Facebook, maraming cyberbullying na nagaganap kasi maraming mga post na hindi okay para sa atin at nagkakasira sa ating mental health at nakakasira ng self-confidence natin. So, dignidad. Tapos, yung iba, addiction kasi most of the students or most of the people is dependent on social media. Halos hindi na sila gumalaw dahil tinatamad na kasi palaging nasa cellphone at social media. Social anxiety, like palagi na lang nakabase sa cellphone, hindi na marunong makikommunicate through person to person. So, yun lang guys, yung aming vlog.